In this video we are going to design this part, so let's start today's video. So first of all, select a plane here, which is front plane. Okay, now go for the circle here as 100 mm. Give it dimension by smart dimension. Okay, draw one more circle, which is inner circle. Just select here circle. Okay, make it here circle and give it dimension as 50 mm. Sorry, 25 again. 50 mm. Okay, now go for one more circle, which is a construction circle. So select a circle here, make a circle. Okay, give it dimension as 75 mm. Okay, done. And make it a construction circle. Just select this circle and give it select here a construction circle. Okay, now draw a construction line for reference purpose here. Just select construction line and draw a center line here, a vertical line, and make sure this line is a vertical. If not, make it vertical. Okay, like this. Just select this line and select here a vertical. Okay, now go for the circle here. Okay, I'm zooming this. Okay, now make it here a circle and give it dimension as 12 mm by smart dimension. Now save this. Okay, now go for the circular sketch pattern, which is present in this linear sketch pattern below this sketch mirror entities. Just select circle and just select this circle and make it here 6 circles in left side. You can give it a distance or number of circles here. Okay, now done this and go for the feature here. So before that, we selected this inner circle as 50 mm, but it is an 30 mm. So make it a modification here as 30 mm. Okay, I'm just selecting this and making here 30 mm as its inner diameter. Okay, now save this and go for the extrude. Go to the feature, go to the extrude. Okay, now give it here 50 mm, 15 mm as this extrude. Okay, now done this. The base part is done now. Yeah, you can see here clear. Okay, now we have to make a circular hollow part above this base part. So just select this surface. Okay, and sketch it and draw 2 circle here. One is 50 mm or another inner circle is 30 mm. So give it dimension. And now extrude this in features. Just select extrude and extrude it. (15 plus 70 is 85). Okay, now we have to draw its last part or component side. Okay, so just select this upper side and sketch this. Okay, now we have to draw here a center line first, which is going through this center point of this part. Okay, just like it. Okay, now go for the circle. Just select circle here. I'm just selecting. Okay, here. Okay, make two circle here like this, give it dimension as 26 and 10 mm. Okay, now done this. Okay, and now go for the line here. We have to create here join these two circles by a line. Okay, just select here line and select these two circles. Okay, now again select this line, just select two circles, make sure this line is tangent to this two circles, or if not, make it tangent. Just select this line and circle, you can make this tangent. Okay, like this. Just you have to select this line and one circle about which you want to tangent this line. Okay, just mirror this line, just select this line and select this about this axis, middle axis. Okay, now it's mirror. Again we have to mirror this in right side also, so just make it here a center line through this part. Okay, just select here a center line. Okay, like this, and just make it a center line here, and make sure this line is vertical. Okay, now it's vertical, so just select mirror entities, select all these lines which we have to mirror about this axis, and select this axis only. Okay, we have to select this inner circle also. Okay, now it's done. Make sure this line is vertical, if not it will not mirror like this or correct. Okay, we have to extrude this. Now we have to close this line, so we have to make a circle here, outer circle be like this, just and trim all this part. Okay, now it's close loop, so we can extrude this part. Now just extrude this like this and give it 50 mm in inner side. Change the direction as 15 mm. Sorry, it's 85. We have to make 15. Just give it here dimension as 15 mm, 15. Okay, now its part is done now, but its inner circle is now selected, so go back and just select this inner part also. Okay, we have to make here inner part also. Okay, now it's closed loop, so just select this and done this. Okay, the part is here done. You can also make this type of designs in SolidWorks. Just follow my instruction and just make this type of parts. Okay, so please like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel, so you can also perfect in SolidWorks. So thank you so much guys, see you in next videos. You can give color like this. Okay, so bye bye.